Do you ever wonder how treatments for medical issues are developed? Well, you may be interested to learn that we have a major research center right here in Phoenix, and they could use your help. This is Dr. Joseph Gimbel. He is the medical director of Arizona Research Center with all of the details for you this morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Very passionate about what you do. You guys do clinical trials.
That is correct.
That's huge when it comes to medical research.
We are probably internationally recognized as one of the premier research sites in the country, having now done over 1,000 clinical trials.
And this goes on, we're talking thousands and it's billions of dollars, correct?
$2.5 billion to get a drug approved in 10 to 15 years, and only 1 out of 3 makes it.
And you guys are constantly doing studies. You have a free bunion study being done right now, correct?
That is correct. We're offering surgery, pre and post-op evaluations. We'll keep the patients in our facility, treat them with a non-narcotic drug for pain, which in the past we've had really satisfactory, good results with. And we actually compensate the patients for their time and travel, approximately $500 for their participation in this trial.
All right, so give us a snapshot of what a clinical trial will entail. If I wanted to be a part of it, I will give you a call, I'll come in, you'll pay me to do so. I don't have to pay you to do so.
Yeah.
And you'll provide room and board, and how long do I stay?
Well, it's about 72 hours. It differs from trial to trial, but what we gather data for the FDA to determine whether this drug should be approved or not approved.
All right, so you guys, like I said, are doing multiple trials and studies all at the same time, one of which you're very proud of, osteoarthritis.
Well, we've been doing osteoarthritis trials for years. I actually wrote the paper that got Celebrex approved 15 years ago. But we are now doing a drug that's injected in your knee that takes the stem cell in your knee and converts it to a chondrocyte, which is a cell that makes cartilage. And we find that this helps reverse the degenerative process, and we're finding patients having improvement of pain and in their arthritis. Now, this is not injecting stem cells. There's been a big, FDA's come out totally against this because there are no approved trials for this, and they're warning patients and closing down sites across the country with patients that are receiving these stem cell treatments because they've not been proved to be effective.
Right, and you all, and that's what you were sharing with us at the Arizona Research Center, you really take great pride in making sure your trials are done correctly.
Yeah, and safely, yes. That's our primary importance, of safety.
So if someone is watching this morning and they say, I want to be a part of this, it's pretty rewarding, I would imagine.
Oh, it's very rewarding for me because we love bringing new applications and for patients and can help them with problems that have been unable to be treated up to now.
And I know you said our time would be about 72 hours that we give to the Institute, but it takes years.
Oh, yeah.
To get a medication
no
approved,
question.
Correct?
Right. 10 to 15 years.
And how important is what you're doing to the medical industry?
Well, I think it's very important. We're doing amazing things with drugs that have never happened before. Pain drugs that are non-addictive. We have a neuropathy trial we just finished where patients actually got feeling back in their feet. We're doing a shoulder study now where we're actually 50% of the patients that have tendonitis that would have gone on to surgery and have failed conservative care, they're doing well and they're avoiding surgery. We have diabetes trials. We have psoriasis trials.
He's going to talk forever. He's so passionate about this. Thank you.
I can't stop.
But it starts with us calling you.
Yeah,
okay,
that is
so
true. Thank you very much.
Let's get you down there so you can be a part of these incredible trials. Arizona Research Center, they are located at 15601 North 28th Avenue, Suite 100 in Phoenix. Give them a call, 602-773-3040, or visit the website azresearchcenter.com.